Happy. Feeling good or joyful. I am happy today. Sad. Feeling unhappy or not good. I am sad because it is raining. Angry. Feeling very upset or mad about something. She is angry because his phone broke. Scared. Afraid or frightened of something. The little boy is scared of spiders. Embarrassed. Shy, uncomfortable, or awkward because of something that happened. She is embarrassed because she made a mistake. Calm. Peaceful, relaxed, and not upset or excited. She feels calm when she listens to music. Shy. Nervous or uncomfortable around people, especially strangers. He feels shy at parties. Excited. Very happy and full of energy because something good is happening. She is excited about her birthday. Tired. Feeling like you need rest or sleep because you have no energy. She is tired and wants to rest. Jealous. Upset or unhappy because someone else has something you want. He is jealous because he has more money. Silly. Not serious, playful, or foolish. She made a silly face. Surprised. Shocked or amazed because something unexpected happened. She was surprised to see a puppy. Loved. Liked very much. She loved her cat. Brave. Not afraid to face danger or difficulty. He felt brave when he stood up for his friend. Annoyed. Feeling a little angry or bothered by something or someone. She gets annoyed when the phone keeps ringing. Fearful. Scared, worried, or afraid of something that might happen. He was fearful about the upcoming exam. Anxious. Nervous or worried about something that might happen. She is anxious about gaining weight. Frustrated. Upset because you can't do something or because things aren't going the way you want. He is frustrated with the error message on the screen. Nostalgic. Feeling happy or sad when remembering something from the past. They feel nostalgic when they see old photos. Hopeful. Feeling or believing that something good will happen. She is hopeful about her future. Envious. Feeling jealous or wanting something that someone else has. She is envious of her friend's happy relationship. Empathetic. Understanding and caring about someone else's feelings, and being able to imagine how they feel. She was empathetic when her friend was sad. Curious. Wanting to know or learn something new. He felt curious when he heard a strange noise outside. Disappointed. Feeling sad or unhappy because something did not happen the way you wanted or expected. She was disappointed when her plans got canceled. Grateful. Feeling thankful or showing appreciation for something good that has happened or for someone's kindness. I feel grateful every day for my health. Confused. Feeling uncertain or not understanding something clearly. I am confused about the math problem. Lonely. Feeling sad because you are alone or don't have anyone to be with. After her best friend moved away, she felt lonely at school.